at Universal Studios right now, and we're about to go enter the park, and today we're just going to be doing some helpful tips on how to get around in the park and also enjoy our day.
Kana, ready to go?
Second one ready.
All right. Not recording. Okay. Malachi, you ready? Finally?
I forgot.
I was the first one ready.
Oh, okay.
No,
Sorry,
no,
I
you-
missed that. Second set of shoes. Okay, these ones good?
Yes, they are. Thank
Okay,
you. I
all
just want
right.
to make
It is 10 a.m. The park opens at 9 and there are still a swarm of people. So get here early.
So we are in the Universal Orlando Resort for my birthday, and here are some kids from Keenan. If you're sensitive to stuff, sensitive to like rides, you have to have at least something that'll help your stomach.
Good tip.
Good tip.
Very good tip.
So we just got off on the mini ride. It was awesome. Now we're going on Shrek 4D.
All right.
always bring extra hand wipes because you never know when you're gonna need it, and there may not be a washroom close by. So bring your hand wipes.
We're here in front of the Transformers meet and greet, and we're so happy that he came out because when we came, the attendants were testing for the weather because it was too windy for him to come out, you know, center of gravity. So they're still testing, and apparently it's safe for him to be out for a few minutes, but Keenan's so excited to meet, is that Bumblebee, Kai?
Mm-hmm.
Bumblebee. So fingers crossed that he can stay out long enough for Keenan to get a picture with him. Oh no, because it's so windy, Bumblebee had to leave and all these kids won't be able to see him. Oh man.
Also bring a backpack so you can carry all your stuff. Got my snacks, sons, water bottle.
We're going on the Fast and Furious ride.
Tip number 5. Be sure to download some games on your phone for the little ones so that they're occupied during those long lineups.
Alright, so bring snacks and drinks.
You can see from my foil paper, we brought snacks.
Harry Potter World.
Make sure you have hat and sunglasses. Very important. You take pieces.
Cool, Keenan?
Who are you?
And another tip, don't forget your portable charger for when you need some extra juice for that phone. Right, Keenan?
We had a great time. Keenan on his 9th birthday. That was a celebration. The weather was perfect. So enjoy the tips so that when you go back to Universal or go to Universal, it will be useful to you. Peace.
And the last tip, don't buy your merchandise at the Universal stores. Sorry, but it's just way too expensive. There are a ton of Disney themed and Universal themed stores that you can find in premium outlets or in outlet malls. I just bought this Minions for Keenan for $7.99, and I know it was so much more expensive. I don't remember the price in the Universal store, but it was more expensive. And the Harry Potter wand was $55 in Universal. And I went to the Disney store and I got it for $14.99. $14.99. There's the price. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click on that like button and subscribe. Until next time, this is the Smith family wishing you happy travels.